buy your camera gears from Jiji Nigeria. Don't buy used or new camera gears from Jiji Nigeria. I mean, I think it's a joke, but wait to the end of this video. You understand why. So, as you can see right there, it's just a camera I got. It was a sad day. The camera I got in Nigeria. It's more like a Wish camera. Although it's a Nikon camera, it didn't work really well. So I just pulled it out. Let's see what I can do with it itself. Wow, so sad. I'm gonna have to speed this video. I intentionally decided to speed this video. I intentionally decided to open this camera myself to see what's going on because it wasn't turning on all of a sudden. And in cameras like this in Nigeria, you can't easily see it whether to get at this price range. It's a bridge camera. For those of you that don't know a bridge camera is the cameras that are ranging from Nikons to Canon that has a zoom lens fixed. The lens is fixed together. It has an optical zoom. Sometimes it does 50x, 30x, 24x, 26x depending on the kind of zoom range and the camera sensor it has. So this one right here is a Nikon Coolpix L820. I bought it on Ikeja. It didn't even last for a week. The camera ditched. It just died in my hand all of a sudden. I made my own trials, I made calls regarding this product. So this is a second-handed product. For those of you that know about cameras in Nigeria, it's not really easy tax. Second-handed product. It was literally meant to be my first camera, but fortunately for me, I couldn't make an unboxing video. So this is the kind of video I did. So I'm installing back the flex cable just to see how dead this camera is. Useless piece of shit. It can still be repairable, sure, but I just don't want to make much effort like that right now. Still, I can make more effort to get a new camera. That's if I have the right money to do that. But don't, guys, this is like a form of warning for you guys. Don't buy on AliExpress. Don't buy on Jiji Nigeria or go to Ikeja to Frontech. Those guys, they sell fake products. It's not a form of arrogance that I'm talking right now. It's a form of my experience that I'm using to speak to you guys. Don't buy from them. I've seen my first experience with them, my first camera, and it didn't last for a week. Still, I would love them to say they have to take it to the engineer, blah 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 blah. I can show you the text right now, but I'm very outrageous now because it was my first camera. I don't know how else I can tell you guys how I feel about this. So I'm going to speed this video and see what else I was trying to do. Just to try to make it quick. Although it didn't come with cable, as you all know, it's on second-hand camera. It didn't come with cable, just everything fixed together. Just the batteries I bought, SD card, the camera itself, it's strapped. I still have to even buy the camera and the cover. See how useless that is. And it cost 50k. I'll tell you how much this camera costs at the video at the end of the video. Guys, just stay tuned. I'll tell you how much this camera costs at the end of the video. It's so sad for you to hear about this. But I won't tell you now. Just watch what I did. At the end, I need a... And please, for those that have videos like this or have camera experience in Nigeria, please try to hit me up in the comment section on my YouTube channel or my Instagram. Tell me what you think or tell me your experience that are in Nigeria, living in the diaspora, Nigeria or anywhere around the world. Mostly in Nigeria and Ghana or anywhere. Guys, I don't recommend you going to those people to buy used products. Because this was my first experience. I don't know how you experienced it in your own way, but it's such a sad opportunity. Like a sad, happy situation for me because it was one of my first time trying to get a camera. I struggled hard to save and oh god. I've installed the red wire, so I'm going to try and test it to see how it works. So guys, unfortunately, this didn't work. It's so unfortunate to say that approximately and totalitarianly, this camera is now fried. Camera is dead already, so it's already certified that just have to check that wire out itself. Useless piece of shit. That's just it. Camera is dead. Try my best. Even battery itself, putting battery inside is even making more worse. Can you imagine? See the Nikon Coolpix, this whole fine camera, I shoot 1080p. It has 16.1 megapixels. I don't know what else what can do to make something like this happen or make it work perfectly. Guys, let me still speed up this video. I don't know if I want to try any more time again. Try another time, but it's useless because nothing works. Ports that are even meant to even plug in your USB for charge, it doesn't even like inject charge. It just takes power instead of it to charge. Can't imagine. I'm so fortunate to have these tools because I also make use of some text. I do some text reviews and say tech. As you can see, guys, I didn't even do much editing in this video. Well, thanks for watching. See how outrageous and very angry I am about this thing. But anyway, there's still more time to change. There's still more time to make more efforts in the budget range. Maybe I may be able to buy a new one or something like that, but there's still more time to change. And as well, you see, I didn't even use any normal background sound because you see, I didn't do much editing. This video was just very urgent for me. So thanks for watching. Please, if anybody knows how they sell motherboard, please hit me up of this camera. Thanks.